Hello everyone. On behalf of RJPLS, Research Journal of Pharmacy and Life Sciences, an international peer-reviewed journal, which is an official publication of Holmes Charitable Trust, which is registered under MSME, I, Professor Anjan Kumar Mahapatra, Editor-in-Chief, would like to invite you all for a webinar on optimization of LinkedIn and resume making. The talk will be delivered by Mr. L. Vishal. Mr. L. Vishal has done his MBA, Master in Business Administration in Pharmaceutical Management from DPSRU, Delhi Pharmaceutical Science Research University, New Delhi. During his study time, he was the coordinator for students' placement. Presently, he is working as competitive intelligence analyst of C5I, New Delhi. By listening the webinar, one can understand how to connect yourself globally with different professional people, how to make an attractive resume by considering artificial intelligence and how your CV will be more attractive and superior than others. During the talk, different basics and case studies will be discussed, which will be interesting to the listeners. Considering the importance, it is very aptly chosen for a webinar on this topic. So I'd like to request all to do the registration and listen to the speaker. The presentation from the webinar will be on 27th of July this month 2024, and the details for registration and on the webinar please find from the description box. So thanking you all once again. I invite you all for the webinar. Thank you once again.